In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export high-resolution images on Figma No Blurry PNG. If your designs look sharp in Figma, but turn soft or fuzzy when you export them, you are likely exporting at too low a scale for modern, high-density screens. The good news is that Figma makes it simple to get crisp, high-resolution PNGs without any extra plugins or complicated setups. Here is how to do it clearly and confidently. First, open your design. Make sure you are in the file and page that contains the artwork you want to export. Check that the piece you plan to export is contained in a frame or selection that represents exactly what you want to deliver. What you see within that frame is what Figma will render in the final PNG, so this is a great moment to confirm your layout, spacing, and background. Next, select your frame. With the frame selected, look over to the right side panel in Figma. Scroll to the very bottom until you see the export section. If it's collapsed, click to expand it. Then click Export. This adds an export setting for your selection and opens the controls you need to dial in the resolution. In the Export panel, change 1x to 2x or 3x. This is the fastest way to ensure crisp assets on high-density displays like Retina or 4K monitors. A 2x export doubles the pixel dimensions and 3x triples them, which greatly reduces the chance of blur when your image is viewed or scaled. Keep in mind that higher scales mean larger file sizes. So choose the smallest scale that still looks pin-sharp for your use case. If you need a very specific size, use custom dimensions. In the Export section, click the Export Scale field and type a value, like 4000 W. For 4000 pixels wide or 3000 H. For 3000 pixels high. The W stands for width and H for height. Figma will keep your aspect ratio intact and render at a precise pixel dimension, which is perfect when you have strict size requirements for banners, thumbnails, or print-ready mockups. When you are satisfied with the scale, click the Export button that shows your design's name. Figma will generate the PNG and prompt you to save it. PNG exports preserve clean edges and transparency, so your icons, UI elements, and artwork should look exactly as intended: crisp, detailed, and blur-free. That's it. Thanks for watching.